my dear students. How are you all? As usual, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Once again, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Students, do you remember in the last session, we have learned lesson number 6 and some points from that lesson, that is my neighborhood, and some points from that lesson we have learned that meaning of neighborhood and places in our neighborhood, means which are the places in our neighborhood we have learned in short about them. Do you know children meaning of neighborhood? Neighborhood means the area around our homes is known as neighborhood. Once again I will repeat, area around our homes is known as a neighborhoods. And which places we have learned, or about which places we have learned in last session? School, market, hospital, police station and post office. School is the place where we learn many new things and subject. Afterwards, market. Market is the biggest place where we can see many shops, and from market we can buy vegetables, fruits and groceries. Next one, post office. Post office is the place which has a business of delivering letters. From the post office we can buy envelope, postcards or stamps. Afterwards we have learned about hospital. In a hospital we see many doctors and nurses. Doctors look after sick people, they give us medicines or tablet. Afterwards we have seen about police station. Police station is the important department of government, and policemen are the guardians of order and law. This much we have learned in the last session. So today we will learn about some new places in our neighborhood, that is places of worship we will learn today. So everybody open your book, page number 199. Okay. Now listen students. Everybody keep your book in front of you and listen to me. What we are going to learn today? Places of worship. Listen. People go to pray at places of worship in the neighborhood. There may be different types of places of worship in our neighborhood, and different religious people go there to pray. There may be temples, churches, mosques, gurudwaras, etc. in a neighborhood. There may be temples. Temples may be there, churches may be there, mosques may be there, gurudwaras. These all places of worship may be there in our neighborhood. Now let's see children, who goes where. Look at to this picture. This is a temple. T-E-M-P-L-E. Children, do you know in our neighborhood there are different religious people stay, and according to their religion there are different types of places of worship in our neighborhood, and they go there to pray. Now see, temple. Temple is the worship place of Hindus. Only Hindus go in temple to pray. Who goes in temple? Hindus go in temple to pray. Next place of worship is church. In church, Christians go in church to pray. Who goes in church? Christians go in church to pray. Next place of worship is mosque. Listen students, Muslims go in mosque to pray. Next one is a gurudwara. In gurudwara, Sikh people goes in gurudwara. Got it children? Temple, this is the worship place of Hindus. Church is the worship place of Christians. Mosque is the worship place of Muslims and Gurudwara is the worship place of Sikhs. Okay. Next, see, be a good neighbor. Before that, students, I will show you one video. Everybody listen it carefully.
Let us learn about the different places in our neighborhood. The area around our homes is our neighborhood. People who live in our neighborhood are our neighbors. We should be polite to our neighbors and help them. We must not make noise or disturb our neighbors. We must help our neighbors. We should keep our neighborhood clean. Children go to a school in the neighborhood to learn new things. The market has many shops where people buy groceries. A large building or covered area that has many shops, restaurants, and play stations is called a shopping mall. There can be big hospitals in the neighborhood. There are many doctors and nurses in the hospital who look after sick people. One can also buy medicines from there. We buy envelopes, stamps, and postcards at the post office. We can send letters by dropping them at a post box. A postman delivers letters to us. The police station is the office of the police. The police keep our neighborhood safe. People go to pray in places of worship like temples, churches, mosques, and gurdwaras in the neighborhood.
Okay, children. Just now you saw the video and the video was related about the places in our neighborhood. Okay. Now we will go to the next point. See, be a good neighbor. Now before that, do you know what is the meaning of neighbor? Yes, people who lives around our homes, they are known as neighbors. Neighbors means the people who live around our homes are our neighbors. See, many people live in our neighborhood. They are our neighbors. People who lives in our neighborhood, they are our neighbors. We should be polite to them. We must not make noise or disturb our neighbors. We must help our neighbors. We should also keep our neighborhood clean. Once again listen these sentences. Many people live in our neighborhood. They are our neighbors. We should be polite to them. We must not make noise or disturb our neighbors. We must help our neighbors. We should also keep our neighborhood clean. See children, just now I told you the meaning of neighbors. Neighbors means the people who lives in our neighborhood, they are our neighbors. Is it clear? Next, we should be very polite to our neighbors. We should not speak very rudely or harshly to our neighbors. Why? Because children, neighbor or having a good neighbor is a great blessing for us, and they are more than relatives to us. Sometimes suppose children, our relatives stay far away from us, and that time they may not be in the position to help us in our trouble or our sorrow. Relatives, those who live away from us, they may not be in the position to help us in our trouble or sorrow. That time who help us? Yes, that time only our good neighbors help us. So, we should be very polite to them. And we must not make noise or disturb to our neighbors. Why should we not make noise or why should we not disturb to them, children? Because sometimes in some houses, adults, sick peoples or babies may be there, and if you will make noise, then they will get disturbed. They can't take rest because of our noise. It will make too much. If you will make noise, they will get disturbed. That's why we should not make or we should not disturb to our neighbors. We must help our neighbors. If they help us, then we can also help them in their trouble or their sorrows. We should also keep our neighborhood clean. Always we should keep our neighborhood clean. If our neighborhood or our house is clean, then only we can stay healthy and safe. Suppose if there is a park in our neighborhood, then we can plant trees in that park, and it will be good for our neighborhood, and planting trees is also good for our health. Okay, and because of that air remains clean. Okay, so this was be a good neighborhood. Okay children, so listen, in this lesson what we have learned? Important places in our neighborhood. So which are those places in our neighborhood? Hospital, post office, police station, school, market and places of worship. These are some places that may be in our neighborhood. Is it clear children? Okay. Now open next page. Now students, open page number 200. Now we will see some question answers related to this lesson. Okay? Take your pencil with you. Okay, very good. Shall I read question? Are you listening? Okay, I will read. Listen. Where would you go for the following? Draw lines to match correctly. See children, here two columns are given. Okay, and we have to match those columns correctly. See, what is the first? To buy stamps. Where you will go to buy stamps? Yes, tell me. See, I will read these options. Hospital, school, post office, market, and next one is park. Now tell me from where you will buy stamps. Correct, from post office. You will go to post office if you want to buy stamp. Before that children, in front of each these words give a small dots. So it will be easy for you to match. Like this, give dots. Okay. Now see, to buy stamps, you will go in post office. Done? See, next one. to buy vegetables. From where you will buy vegetables? From hospital? No. From market. Very good. Match it here. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Next one. To see the doctor. Where you see the doctors? Yes, of course, in a hospital. First one is the spelling of hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. Next one, study, to study. Where you will go to study? In park? No, then school. Very good. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Next one, to play. Where you will go to play? Yes, very good, in the park. Done? Question B. What is the question B? Strike out the odd one in each group. See, some 4 groups are given here. From this group, we have to strike out the odd one. Odd one means which is different from others. Okay. So, we have to strike that word. See the first group, parcel, nurse, letter and postcard. Can you tell me which one, which is odd one? Parcel, nurse, letter and postcard. From this, which is different, which is odd one? Yes, correct, nurse. We have to strike out. Why? Because parcels, letters and postcard we can find in a post office. But nurse, where do you see nurse? In a hospital. You can't see nurse in a post office. All these are related. Parcel, letter and postcard are related to post office. So, nurse is a odd one. See next one, temple, church, mosque and market. Which is odd one? From temple, church, mosque and market? Yes, very good. Market is odd one. Why? Because temple, church and mosque are the places of worship. But market is not a place of worship. Okay? Done? Next one. See, student, police, teacher and school. Which is odd one here? Yeah. Police is odd one. Why? Because student, teacher and school are related to each other. We see students and teachers in a school, not police. Okay? We see police in a police station. So, this is odd one. See next one, thief, jail, police and temple. Which is odd one? Yes, very good. Temple is odd one. Why? Because thief, jail and police, they are related to each other. And temple is a place of worship. So, that is a odd one. Done? Now, come to the next question. See, question C. Tick the correct sentences, cross the sentences that are not correct. Here some sentences are given. For the correct sentence, we have to make a tick mark and for the wrong answer, we have to make cross mark. Okay? See, we must help our neighbors. Is it correct? Yes, always we must help to our neighbors. So, make tick mark. Done? around our homes. They are our neighbors. Next, we can buy stamps at the post office. Is it correct? Can we buy stamps at the post? Yes, correct. Do tick mark here. Next, the nurse takes care of the garden. Is it correct? Who takes care of garden? Gardener or nurse? So it is a wrong one. Do cross. Next sentence. We must keep our neighborhood clean. Is it correct or wrong? Yes, it is correct. Always we should keep our neighborhood clean. Okay, done. Now come to the next question. Question D. Answer in 1 or 2 words. See? Shall I read question 1? Question 1. Where would you buy envelopes and stamps from? Tell me, where would you buy envelopes and stamps from? From where do you buy stamps and envelopes, postcards? Yes, correct. From post office. So write here, post office. P-O-S-T. First letter must be capital. P-O-S-T. Post. O-F-F-I-C-E. Post office. Done? Next, what do children learn at school? Tell me, what do children learn at school? What do you learn in a school? Correct. Many new things and subjects. Right here. N-E-W. New. One finger space. T-H-I-N-G-S. New things. One finger space. A-N-D and. One finger space. S-U-B-J-E-C-T-S. Subjects. Children learn at N-E-W, new. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. A-N-D, and. S-U-B-J-E-C-T-S, subjects. In between 2 words, keep one finger space. Okay? Where would you buy groceries from? Tell me, from where do you buy groceries? Correct. From market. Right here. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. From market, you can buy groceries, vegetables, fruit, or whatever the good to buy, you can buy it from market. Done? Now come to the next page. Page number 201. See children, question E is answer in 1 sentence. What is the first question? How do the police help us? Can you tell me how do the police help us? Listen to me. Police help us. Police help in keeping us and our neighborhood safe. Okay, listen next question. Here space is not given, that's why we are not writing the answers here. Name the different places of worship. Can you tell me the name of different places of worship? Yes, temple, church, mosque, gurudwara. These are some places of worship. Okay. Next question, children. Get busy. This question will be for you. I will just explain what to do here. See, find out who these people are. Take help from the words given in the box. Here one help box is given, and in that help box names of some people are given. You have to identify this picture, and from this help box you have to find out the name of this people, and below that you have to write their names. See, the first word is given: teacher, policeman, doctor, tailor and postman. These names are given in that help box. You have to identify this picture. Tell me, who is this? Yes, doctor. Next, policeman. Next, teacher, postman and tailor. It is very easy. Now you can write the names given below space. Okay. Now do it at your home afterwards. See, things to do. Useful places in the neighborhood. List out the important places in your neighborhood. Write their telephone numbers. It would be useful at the time of need. See children, what you have to do? Here you have to write the places, names of places in your neighborhood, and in front you have to write their telephone numbers. If there is any medical shop, any grocery shop, any market, any hospital, post office, if those places are in your neighborhood, then write their telephone numbers given in the space. Okay? Done? Now see, next one activity is given there. This is also for you. You have to do it at your home afterwards. Make your own neighborhood. Listen, you know the places that make up neighborhood. Just now I taught you, and also in previous session I taught you about the places which we can find in our neighborhood. Form groups with 4 or 5 students in each group. Draw a house on a chart paper. Then draw the places and things you would want to have in its neighborhood. Here you have to draw one house on a chart paper. Afterwards you have to draw the places and things which you would want to have in its neighborhood. Write the names of the things you draw. Take your teacher's help if needed. If it is necessary, then you can take the help of your teacher. Is it clear? Okay. So students, today here we have completed our lesson number 4, that is my neighborhood. Okay. Now I will show you one clip art. Okay. Just see that, and afterwards we will conclude here. Okay, see children, neighbors. Neighbors means many people live in our neighborhood. They are our neighbors. This we have learned today. Next, we should be polite to them. We should not speak very rudely or very harshly with our neighbors. Then, we must not make noise or disturb our neighbors. Why? I told you. Why we should not make noise or disturb to our neighbors? Because in some houses there may be sick people or adults or some babies may be there. That's why we should not make noise while playing, or we should not disturb our neighbors. Next, see children, we must help our neighbors. We should keep our neighborhood clean. Always we should keep our neighborhood clean. Why? If our neighborhood is clean, then only we can remain healthy and fit. Okay? Is it clear? Very good. So students, today we will stop here and we will meet in the next session with a new chapter. Till that, take care students.